Whether you're planning a weekend at a local beach or an extravagant island getaway, a beach towel is a must. You can't always count on your hotel to provide a quality beach towel, so it's best to pack your own. There are many products available to choose from best beach towel, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best beach towel from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Rainleaf Microfiber Beach Towel. One of the reasons microfiber towels are increasing in popularity is because they're quick drying and super absorbent. If you need a microfiber towel for beach trips, go with the Rainleaf Microfiber Beach Towel. This 200-gram microfiber towel comes in 8 different colors and 6 sizes, so every member of the family can have one that works for them. The Rainleaf feels like suede, plus it's able to absorb water 5 times more than its weight. It includes a carry bag and a hanging loop, making it the perfect travel towel. You can't go wrong with the Rainleaf Microfiber Beach Towel. Number 2. Laguna Beach Textile Company Oversized Plush Cabanatel. When it comes to luxury, Laguna Beach Textile Company makes the best quality beach towel. This 630 GSM towel is 50% thicker than standard beach towels, and is 100% plush cotton. It comes in a variety of beachy designs and stretches 70x35. The towel is machine washable, making it easy to clean and maintain. Even with the high-end thickness, it's not cumbersome and still weighs less than 2 pounds, so won't add too much weight to your beach gear. If you want a towel that combines a classic style with premium comfort, consider the Laguna Beach Textile Company Oversized Plush Cabanatel. Number 3. The Coco Premium Headed Towel. If you've been searching for a fun beach towel for the kiddos, your search ends here. The Coco Premium Hooded Towel not only dries them off after they get out of the water, but the handmade hoods are decorated with fun characters like elephants, princesses, and dinosaurs. The 450 GSM towel is made of 100% cotton, and measures 49x28. The hood of the towel measures 18x9, and the towel usually fits children up to 7 years old. It's woven of a thick cotton velour on the outside, to give it a premium look and ideal softness, and the inside is made of absorbent terry cotton. The Coco Premium Hooded Towel is definitely the best beach towel for kids. Number 4. Amazon Basics Cabana Striped Beach Towel. It can be hard to find quality beach towels on sale, but the Amazon Basics Cabana Striped Beach Towel maintains high quality at a low price. Even at such a low price tag, you'll get 2 100% cotton beach towels that provide impressive absorbency and good coverage. The machine washable towel measures 60x30 and comes in 4 different design options. These towels have a luxury feel that's great whether you're spending an afternoon floating in the pool or enjoying a beach party. If you're looking for a spa-like towel that won't break the bank, consider the Amazon Basics Cabana Striped Beach Towel. Number 5. Laguna Beach Textile Company Round Cabana Beach Towel. The Laguna Beach Textile Company Round Cabana Beach Towel is an oversized towel with high-end comfort. It's 60 in diameter, and its 600 GSM means it's almost 50% thicker than an average beach towel. There are 10 California-style designs to choose from, and the patterns are woven into the towel to minimize fading. Whether you're traveling with family or friends, everyone's sure to love the design, shape, and size of this towel. If you're into round towels, then the Laguna Beach Textile Company Round Cabana Beach Towel is definitely one of the best towels for the beach. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.